Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 11 Echo problem during calls. Fix it fast. Open sound settings. Select output device. Disable audio enhancement and spatial sound. Select your input device. Disable enhancements. Second method is open control panel sound settings. Disable all enhancements. Turn off spatial sound. Select input device, click Properties. Uncheck Listen to this device. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.